Hi everyone, welcome back to AliCre8ive. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a moving dot animation using simple tools and techniques. Let's get started. Open PowerPoint and create a new slide. Click on shapes and choose the rectangle. Draw the rectangle so it covers the entire slide. With the rectangle selected, go to the Shape Parameter tab. Set the shape fill to black and remove the outline. Move the black rectangle to the right side of the slide. Duplicate the slide and move the rectangle to the center. Duplicate the slide again and move the rectangle to the left side. Click on shapes and choose a circle. Draw a small circle on the slide. Set the shape fill to black and remove the outline by setting outline to no line. Align the circle to the middle of the slide. Select the circle and go to the animation tab. Choose the line motion path animation. In the effect option, set the direction to left. Adjust the animation duration and timing. Click on text box. Type the word dot in the text box. Make the text bold, change the font and set the font size to 60. Align the text to the center and middle of the slide. Move the dot slightly to the left. Change the font color of the text to white to make it invisible initially. Duplicate the slide and remove the black rectangle. Change the font color of the text back to black to make it appear. Use the Align tool to ensure the text is perfectly centered. Make the dot smaller and place it next to the text. Change the dot color to red for a more vibrant look. Select the dot, go to the animation tab and set its animation to none. Go to the second slide, select it and click on Transition tab. Choose the Morph transition and set its duration to 1 second. Repeat this process for a third and fourth slide. And that's how you create a stunning moving dot animation in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to AliCre8ive for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.